Hi, I'm Jasmine, and I have my field placement at an agency that provides therapy and different types of therapy to individuals from I think as young as 2 or 3 to 99 years old. Um, they specialize in providing therapy for individuals who are on the autism spectrum disorder, but you don't necessarily have to be on the ASD to get services there. They provide couples therapy, family counseling, family navigation, and one thing that I really like about the agency is that I'm learning how to do sand plate tray therapy. That's where a client will get some miniature objects and put them in sand, and it tells a story. It's actually it's really cool to see it unfold, and you just don't know what type of story somebody has until you go through this therapy. One thing that I find challenging is we're always busy there, so it's really hard to get you know something done if you need a certain person and they're in session. So time management has been a little bit of a challenge, but hopefully I'll do a better job this semester of that. And then one thing that I hope to learn from this field placement is I want to learn more about the other therapies, which they do, especially mindfulness. There's a lot of therapy and interventions based with mindfulness in mind at this agency. So I can't wait to view some of my classmates' videos and find out, what they're doing and what interests them as well. Thank you.